previous video, we have learnt about subsistence farming, which is practiced by farmers who grow crops for themselves or for their communities. And in this video, we learn about commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. So in this type of farming, the area that the farming has to be done is calculated according to the amount of crop that needs to be produced. The amount of money and resources invested in this kind of farming is very large. Most of the work in commercial farming is done by machines, and people or manual labor supervise these machines. The different types of commercial farming are commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. In commercial grain farming, crops are grown for commercial purposes. Wheat and maize are common commercially grown grains. This kind of farming is majorly practiced in the temperate grasslands of North America, Europe, and Asia. The population in these areas is very less and the farms are very large. They spread over hundreds of hectares. These regions become extremely cold in the winters, so the farmers can only grow one crop every year in the other seasons. In mixed farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. It is practiced in Europe, Eastern North America, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Now, the final type of commercial farming that we are going to look at is the plantation farming. Just like the other commercial farming, in plantations too, large amount of land, manual labor, and investment are required. But unlike the others, where different crops are grown, in plantations only a single crop is grown. This here is a picture of a banana plantation, and as you can see, in the entire piece of huge land, there are only banana trees. Other kinds of single crops which are grown in plantations across massive lands are tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, and cotton. Whatever that is produced in a plantation agriculture is usually processed at the farm itself or in a nearby factory. Because the produce is large, transportation is a key element in a plantation farming. Major plantations are found in the tropical regions of the world. For example, rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka. So what have we learned in this video? We have learned about commercial farming and the three types of commercial farming, which are the commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantations. Until next time, happy learning!